Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today we are here to learn how you can make someone administrator in a WhatsApp community. So it is the same way as on WhatsApp groups. So I assume that all of you watching this video already have the community created on their devices, and we go straight forward. So if you don't know how to create the WhatsApp community, you can follow a link in the description. There's a link in the description that will lead you to a video that will show you the step-by-step creating a WhatsApp community. So I don't want the video to be a bit longer, so let's start by opening our WhatsApp account here. And after opening the account, you go to this side, the community tab over here. You tap on it, and you come to your community. You can see this is the community we are having here. So you tap on it and it will open like this. Now you want to make an administrator. You want to make a certain contact as an administrator. So you come to this small option over here. You tap on it and you have three options here. You go by the last option, which is view members. You tap on it and you have all the members in your community. All the members in your community, and all these members are my numbers. So for the experiment purposes, I have to use my own number so that I can do certain things. So any member here you want to make an administrator, you tap on that member and you have this option. So you go by the last but one option, which is make admin here. Then you tap on it and it will ask, or it will tell you what the person can do. So it will tell you that the community admin can send announcements, manage group, edit community information, and use other admin tools. So you tap on OK here, and when it finished loading like this, the person has been granted administrative rights over here, or administrative privileges over here. The person can do whatever the group require him or her to do. So this is how you add administrator, or you make a contact an administrator on your WhatsApp community. And as the same way, you can dismiss the person from being an administrator. So you tap on that same thing. When you want to do that, you tap on the person's contact and the options will come here, and you go for dismiss admin. So when you tap on dismiss admin, it will tell you that they won't be able to message the announcement group, manage community admin, edit anything here. Like they can have privileges in doing all the technical stuff. So when you tap on OK here, then the person leaves the administrative right leaves the person. So this is how you add or how you make someone an admin in a WhatsApp community. So the person that you made an admin of that community will get a notification notifying him or her that you've added him or her to a community as an administrator. So when the person opens his or her WhatsApp community like this, and the person gets into it, the person will have a pop-up like this telling him or her that he has been granted administrative right over here. So the person can choose to continue or dismiss him or herself from the community. So when the person taps on continue, then it shows like this, and the person is now an admin of that community. So that is the simplest way of adding a member to a community group as an administrator. So please, if the video interests you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video too as well. You can also share the video for it to help others. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.